You're right, Green. There's a fire. It looks like Fiona fire truck is on her way. Oh no! Mummy and Baby Truck are having a play race. They're brumming too loud to hear Fiona's siren. Fiona, it's time we fitted you with a louder siren. Come on, Mechanicals! Time to fit Fiona's new siren. That's it! We need a nice loud nee-naw sound. All done! Give it a go, Fiona. That's not right. It sounds like a doorbell. Let's try again. And that sounded like a dinosaur. We need a nee-naw. That was a nee-naw, but it needs to be much louder. That traffic cone made you louder, Yellow. Maybe something like that will work with the siren. Now that's a loud nee-naw. Bye, Fiona. Thanks for visiting Gecko's garage. Eric the excavator's in for his service. We have to check he's fit and healthy for all the digging he does. Who wants to help? I think I'll choose Yellow. I know you want to play, but I think you'll have just as much fun working in the garage. We'll start by checking your engine, Eric. Let's have a nice loud rev. You can do better than that, Eric. Ooh, 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 ooh. Hey! Great catch, Yellow. Time to test your caterpillar tread. That's part of the service, Eric. Let's see how your digger arm's working. Oh! Needs a spot of oil, Yellow. Well done, Eric. You've passed your service, so you're all ready for lots more digging. Do you want to go and join them, Yellow? I told you work could be fun. Vicky the ice cream truck is in for her repairs. We're just doing a few finishing touches. Thanks, Yellow. Could I please have a screwdriver? Careful, Mechanicals. That pipe is full of ice-cold air. It's how Vicky freezes her ice cream. What? Yellow! Don't touch that button! Phew! Thanks, Mechanicals. You saved me. Now, let's finish fixing Vicky. Thanks, Vicky. Welcome back to Gecko's garage. It's a lovely sunny day, so Red's heading up to the roof. He's going to finish fitting our new solar panels. They'll soak up the sun's energy and turn it into clean power for the whole garage. Hello, Bobby. Whoa! Look at you. You're all dirty, and we only cleaned you yesterday. Never mind. Splish, splash, splosh. Activate Gecko's car wash. All clean and ready to hit the road, Bobby. Oh, you're dirty again. How did that happen? I think we're going to have to wash you by hand. Squeaky clean. You can get back to your bus route, Bobby. That's what's making you dirty. Your messy old petrol engine. How would you like a clean electric engine instead? Are the solar panels ready? The panels take energy from the sun, giving Bobby clean power for him to run. Hooray! We'll see you back soon for more fun at Gecko's garage. Fiona fire truck. What's the matter? Your hose isn't working. Let's take a look. Don't you worry, Fiona. We'll soon get you fixed. I'll get my best wrench. What? Come on, Mechanicals. Give me a hand, please. Are you all right, Yellow? Well, I think that's the problem fixed. Oh, it's very muddy today, so we're getting our car wash ready. Oh, look! Here comes Baby Truck to get all cleaned up. Oh, hello, Baby Truck. Let me guess what you're here for. Splish, splash and splosh. Activate Gecko's car wash. That's not right. You're still all muddy. Of course! We haven't filled it up with soap. You can't get squeaky clean without soap. Now the soap is filled to the top, we can wash all that mud off. Oh! That's strange. The rollers are meant to roll the bubbles off. Ah! Ooh! Aha! That's it! Baby truck is too small for the rollers to reach. Ah. Hee. Hooray! The car wash is working and baby truck is sparkling clean. It's a lovely sunny day, so I thought I'd do some bird watching. Oh look, it's the twins, Barry and Carrie. Oh, they look like they're having a lot of fun. Oh no! Barry's crashed! Quick, mechanicals! We need to help! Go, go, Tilly tow truck! Don't worry, Barry. We'll soon have you out of there. Blue? Ooh. Hey! Yay! Let's get you checked over. That's strange. Your engine won't start. Ah, Carrie's come to cheer Barry up. How lovely. Oh, I knew there was something fishy going on. That fish must have been stuck in Barry's exhaust. That's why his engine wouldn't start. It's so nice when your friends come to visit. It helps you get better much faster. The fish is home safe and sound. His friends must have been worried about him. Well, all's well that ends well. Huh? Someone must be in trouble. Go, go, Tilly tow truck! It's Eric, the excavator. I think he's hit a rock. Look, he's broken his caterpillar track. Oh, Blue. I know the storm is scary, but we need your help. Will you be brave for us? Oh, I can't reach. And I'm too big to fit through that gap. Huh? Oh dear, we need to be fast. I think that dam's going to overflow. Blue is small enough to fit under. Well done, Blue. You're being really brave. Oh no! The dam's going to collapse. Hurry, Blue. Ah, well done, Blue. You faced your fears. And look, a rainbow. What? It's Baby Truck. Hup. What's that, Baby Truck? You've lost your dummy. Don't be upset. We'll find it for you. Go, go, Mechanicals! Try looking by those red flowers. Can you see anything? What about that green hedge? Can you see anything there? It must be here somewhere. I'm sorry, Baby Truck. I can't find your dummy anywhere. Blue! Well done! You found it. Here you go, Baby Truck.
We're just giving Bobby the bus his checkup. We're almost done. Wait! Mechanicals! I'm still up here! Bobby! Bobby! Oh dear, he can't hear me! Mechanicals! Quick! Do something! Look out! Here comes a bridge! Whoa! Spinning screwdrivers! Oh, look! A high bridge! Great idea, Mechanicals! If I can just grab hold... Missed! Now what? Oh. Whoa! Good thinking, Yellow. You saved the day. It's okay, Bobby. You didn't know, and nobody got hurt. Thank you for all your help, Mechanicals. What would I do without you?